This tutorial will guide you on how to add a new user. It is only applicable for companies with single sign-on as the point of access to Ariba. First, let's log in via single sign-on. On the dashboard, go to the menu on the top right. Click Manage, then click Core Administration. Click on Site Manager. Then click Data Import or Export. From this data import or export page, first we will be downloading a user record template in Excel. Click Export. Then search for the word Export User Data. And click Search. Click Export button. You will download a file. It will be a while, so just wait till the page finish loading. Save the file at your favorite location. And then click and open the Excel file. From this Excel file, we will add a new record at the bottom of the list. We are going to add a new record at the following column: supervisor, unique name, the name, email address, and unique name. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and add a new record. Besides the 4 information that we need to key in, there's already a system generated information that needs to be keyed in. As a reference, let's make a copy of the last row. Paste it to the last row. Now, just replace the existing information on the supervisor unique name. This is the Windows ID of the user's supervisor. Next is the user's name. Next is the email address. And the user's unique name, that is the Windows user ID. Don't forget to save the file. Next, we need to replace that file in the system by importing it back to the system. Click on the Import tab. Search for the word Import User Data. Then hit Search. Next, click the Import button. Select Load option. Choose the file. And click Run. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching.